Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner, and Jack, who normally sits under the table. Just thought we'd pop on and say Merry Christmas to you all. We know it's been a difficult year this year, but hopefully there's been lots of crafting going on. I'd like to thank you all for following me through the year, and I hope that you'll continue to follow me into 2021. I've set myself a task for 2021. I'm going to try, I can't promise I won't, but I'm going to try and not buy any more craft stuff. I'm going to try and use everything I have, because the space behind me is not the only crafting products I have. I have a full room upstairs full of craft products. I have done 2 previous craft room tours, which you'll find if you search through my YouTubes, and you'll see the craft room upstairs as well as this one. And I also have a small bedroom where my mum sleeps when she comes to stay over, which also has craft stuff. So I'm going to make a really good effort to label everything, organise everything, and there's lots of products I haven't used. There's nothing wrong with them, but I found out what I like to do now. So for the products that I know I'm not going to use, I think I'm going to do some giveaways. So I will do a YouTube and I will do a giveaway, and anybody can enter it and I will just post it off to you. So once again, if you could like and subscribe, that makes me happy. Click the little bell, it should tell you every time I come up. I post everything on my blog, which is shellbower.blogspot.com. And until next year, have a great Christmas and New Year, and I'll see you in 2021. Bye bye for now.